Welcome to our series on complex numbers. In this set of 10 videos, here is part 3. We are going to understand operations with complex number including I. So we'll find out the value for the given expressions. Two of them seen here will be dealt with. Let us take up the solution of the first question, which is I to the power of 3 times 5 plus 3 times I to the power of 5 minus 4 I to the power of 7 minus 2 I to the power of 9. As you know, I to the power of 1 is I to the power of 2 is minus 1, I to the power of 3 is minus and I to the power of 4 is 1. Therefore, it is a good practice to write in terms of I to the power of 4 for any higher powers, correct? Or multiples of 4. Well, I cube is known to us as minus I, so I could rewrite this as 5 times minus I. Also note that all these powers here are odd, and therefore there won't be any real number in this. All will be i's, right? Imaginary numbers which we have to add or subtract. Plus 3 times I to the power of 5, it is a practice to write this as I to the power of 4 times I, right? Minus 4 I to the power of 7. 4 times I cube, right? Minus 2 I to the power of 9 can be written as 8 plus 1, correct? So that gives you minus 5I. And here we have plus 3I because I to the power of 4 is 1. Now, in this case, as you can see, I cube will give us minus I, and therefore the sign will change. So this sign will be plus, right? Plus 4I, right? And then we have minus 2. I to the power of 8 will be 1 times I is minus 2I, right? So now if we add that up, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 is 0, and we get 0 as our answer. So the correct option is C, which is 0. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear, right? Now, follow this procedure and try to get the answer of this particular question. So we have an expression, the numerator divided by I to the power of 5. How are we going to do it, right? Well, those of you who want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathsinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting admission to the best universities. Now let us see how do we simplify this. We need to write this in terms of a plus bi, right? We are given some values as option for find the value of a plus b. Great. So as you can see, we have even and odd powers, so we do expect some value of a and some value of b. Let us first simplify this. That is to say, we can divide by the term I to the power of 5, right? So we can write this expression as 2. Dividing with 5 means I to the power of 2, right? Minus 3 I to the power of 9 minus 5, which is 4, minus 3 I to the power of 5, 10 minus 5, plus 6 I to the power of 7, 12 minus 5. Makes sense, right? Now, we know what is I square. It is minus 1. I square is minus 1, so we get minus 2. I to the power of 4 is 1, so we get minus 3. So this is the constant part. I to the power of 5 is same as I itself, so we get minus 3I. And I to the power of 7 is 4 plus 3, so we get I cube, which is minus I. So here we get minus 6i. So with that, we have a as equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. And here we have minus 6 plus 3 as 9i. So we know that the value of a is minus 5, value of b is minus 9, and when you add them up, you get minus 14, right? And therefore, option B is the right option. That is how you can work with powers of I. I hope you get the idea. Perfect. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.